that little mouse, 'cause I'm an albatross.
LG presents semi-automatic top-loading washing machine range that comes in a variety of capacities and ratings that are ideal for an Indian family. This washing machine gives the best washing performance with roller jet pulsator, which helps in up, down and left-right movement of each cloth in the tub to give even wash quality for every laundry, thus removing tough stains. With dual tubs for washing, spinning, you can now wash and dry the laundry at the same time. Bigger spin tub size help to air dry in an efficient manner. The magic filter adds to the overall washing quality with efficient lint collection during the wash cycle. LG washing machines come with an auto restart feature. When there is a power cut, the wash process stops, then resumes back from where it stopped. Be it silk, lace or other material, with its 3 modes of washing, your clothes will get the best kind of wash. This super reliable washing machine is backed with a 2-year comprehensive warranty on product and 5 years on motor. Get this product on Amazon. You can avail EMI options or pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for the damaged or defective product. You can schedule the delivery at your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with the brand for installation within 48 hours of delivery. For further information, visit the product detail page. Bosch fully automatic top-loading washing machines are German engineered to give your clothes a hygienic and complete wash. Available in 6.5 kg and 7 kg capacity, making it ideal for an Indian family. Designed with a power wave feature that combines an innovatively designed pulsator, dynamic water flow system and wave drum to give you amazing wash results. The one-touch start automatically selects the optimal program for your laundry load. You get the flexibility to use liquid or powder detergents with this washing machine, ensuring good solubility of the detergent and provides better wash results. You can wash any fabric in the Bosch washing machine as it features multiple wash programs that suit every fabric's needs. The unit comes with a delay start option that gives the option of scheduling the wash cycle anytime and the power off memory function that automatically resuming operations when power is restored after a power cut. When you want to prevent setting from being changed by your child, switch on to child lock to enable a locking system to all the keys. Solid and strong toughened glass lid shuts gently and withstands heavy weight. Available with a 2-year warranty on the product and 10-year warranty on compressor. 10-day return or replacement policy for the damaged or defective product. Get this product on Amazon. You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. You can schedule the delivery at your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with the brand for installation within 48 hours of delivery. For further information, visit the product detail page.
Samsung presents a 7.2 kg semi-automatic top-loading washing machine with iWash technology. This washing machine comes with two-way inner handle that allows you to move the machine easily. The water jets placed at the center create better water turbulence and provide a powerful wash. The air turbo drying system spins the dryer at a higher speed while the dual air intake system draws in more air to dry the clothes at a good speed. It has built-in scrub board that provides a typical hand wash to your clothes to remove stubborn stains. The built-in lint filter collects loose thread, lint and hair, preventing from blockage of pipes. The Easy Wash tray makes it easy to scrub the clothes for more effective wash. This washing machine comes with brand warranty of 2 years on product and 3 years on the motor. You can avail the EMI or no-cost EMI option. You can also pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. You can schedule the delivery of this product at a day and time of your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with the brand for installing your product within 48 hours of delivery. In case you receive the product in a condition that is damaged or defective, we offer a free 10-day return or replacement policy. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.